In this guide, I will show you step by step how to cancel PDF Smart. So guys, go to Google and search for cancel PDF Smart, this keyword. After that, you will see this page. Scroll down, click this page, contact option. From here, you will see this form. From here, write your last name, guys. This is my last name. And then write your email address. From the subject, click other. You have a billing and subscription, click other. From the message, write your simple request. For example, I want, click hi there, for example, this one. And then guys, I want here, right, I want cancel my subscription, as you can see here, guys. And write here your account, your order details. For example, order details, such your all information right here, guys. And then write your all information and your username, write your username, guys. And then if you have any attachment, you can upload your attachment to cancel your subscription, and then click I confirm that I have read and accept terms and conditions, and click send message. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give me like and share this video for more content.